I'm just finishing up here putting 6 small apples that I chopped up into the bottom of my baking dish. Now I have just a little bit of butter. You only need about 4 tablespoons, and I'm gonna come in and just kind of drizzle it right over those apples. Ooh, all of that butter is gonna be soaking at the bottom of the dish. Then I'm gonna follow it up with a little bit of cinnamon here, and I'm gonna sprinkle that right on top. Apples and cinnamon, that's where it's at. Once you have that set and good to go, we're gonna slide that over and bring in our bowl. Grab yourself 2 cups of Bisquick pancake mix, 1.5 cups of milk. I'm choosing whole milk, I think it works the best. 3/4 cup of sugar. And then we're also gonna take some more cinnamon and we're gonna dump that right in there. I love cinnamon and I think it goes great for fall and even better with those apples. Then we'll dump in 8 tablespoons of butter. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. Let all of that goodness, combine together. I can smell the cinnamon. It smells delicious. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good, so easy, you guys. I love working with the fresh apples. So let's just bring those right in here again. And this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pour this batter right over top of all of these apples. Yes, we are gonna lock in those apples. Oh my goodness, when they bake, they are gonna be so, so good. Let's get all of that mixture out. We sweetened it up with a little bit of sugar. We have some cinnamon in there. Ooh, the milk to make it creamy. Yes, now let's just spread it all over those apples. And as those apples bake with that butter, they are going to be so tasty. I love, love this easy dessert for fall, you guys. Oh, I can't wait to show you how superb this turns out. So we got those nice fresh apples locked in with our little pancake mixture that is just gonna be golden brown and pair so well with those golden brown apples. Stick around. We gotta pop it in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes and then, perfection. Wow, this looks extremely delicious. I can see some of those apples just popping through. That cinnamon apple combo, it's just so delicious and it smells the house up so well. I wanna just get right in here. I really wanna see the way that those apples turned out. Oh, it feels perfect actually. Let me get myself my plate here. All right, let's just lift this right out. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to show you. Those apples look so tasty. Look at those. Oh my gosh. I love it. I love it. I bet you, if you wanted to make some fresh whipped cream or if you wanted to have it with, just some vanilla ice cream. Oh my God, it's so good. It smells so good. I can taste it. It's hot. I love this easy fall recipe. You know what else I love? It's not too sweet. It's almost like the apples, the regular, the sweetness from the apples. I don't know the word I'm looking for, but it really brings in the flavor versus it being over sweet. So you really get a lot of that natural sweetness from the apple flavor. It goes so good with the cinnamon. They're baked perfectly. I love this, you guys. Let me know if there's any way you're gonna change this up. Are you gonna give it a try? I wanna know all about it. We'll see you guys later. I'm gonna scarf this down. Enjoy.